Welcome back to the Global Yard. Today, we are exploring the dynamic and culturally rich city of Doha, the capital of Qatar. Known for its stunning modern skyline, world-class museums, and deep connection to its cultural heritage, Doha is rapidly becoming a major global destination. Whether you're interested in the traditional markets, luxurious dining, or breathtaking desert landscapes, Doha offers something for everyone. Join us as we guide you through a perfect 3-day itinerary to explore the best this remarkable city has to offer. On your first day in Doha, dive straight into the city's rich history and culture by visiting Souq Waqif, the city's famous marketplace. As you wander through the winding alleys, you will find a wide range of goods, from spices and perfumes to traditional garments and handcrafted souvenirs. This vibrant souk is not only a place to shop, but also a cultural experience where you can interact with locals and enjoy live performances, particularly during festival seasons. Be sure to stop by one of the many cafes for a cup of traditional Qatari karak tea. From there, head to the Museum of Islamic Art, a stunning architectural gem that houses one of the world's most extensive collections of Islamic artifacts. Situated on a man-made island, the museum's striking design is the creation of world-renowned architect I.M. Pei. Inside, you will find treasures that span 14 centuries, showcasing intricate ceramics, jewelry, textiles, and manuscripts from across the Islamic world. The museum offers not only a deep dive into the region's cultural history, but also magnificent views of Doha's skyline. After exploring the museum, head to the Corniche, a 7-kilometer waterfront promenade that stretches along Doha Bay. It is the perfect place for an evening stroll or a leisurely bike ride, while enjoying panoramic views of the city's skyscrapers and traditional dhow boats floating in the bay. As the sun sets, the Corniche lights up with the glittering lights of the city, making it an unforgettable sight. On your second day, immerse yourself in Qatar's unique blend of modernity and tradition by visiting Qatar Cultural Village. This expansive cultural complex is home to art galleries, theaters, and performance spaces, where you can witness the country's rich cultural traditions and contemporary arts. Be sure to explore the Qatari Mosque, a stunning example of Islamic architecture, and the amphitheater, which hosts various cultural performances throughout the year. For lunch, try a traditional Qatari dish like makshbouz, a spiced rice dish cooked with meat or fish, often compared to biryani, or enjoy a hearty meal of tharid, a traditional stew. Qatar Cultural Village is also home to many excellent cafes and restaurants, offering everything from authentic Qatari dishes to international cuisine. Take your time to savor the flavors and relax in this beautiful setting. In the afternoon, visit the Pearl Qatar, a man-made island known for its luxury shopping, dining, and beautiful Mediterranean-style marinas. Whether you want to shop at high-end boutiques, dine at upscale restaurants, or simply enjoy the stunning views, the Pearl is a must-visit destination for those seeking a taste of Doha's luxurious side. You can also book a boat ride to explore the island's scenic coastline from the water. On your final day, it is time to experience the beauty of the Qatari desert. Book a desert safari and venture out into the stunning sand dunes for a day of adventure. Most tours offer activities like dune bashing, where you ride in a 4x4 vehicle across the towering dunes, as well as camel rides and sandboarding. You will also have the opportunity to visit the Inland Sea, a breathtaking natural wonder where the desert meets the Persian Gulf, creating a serene and otherworldly landscape. For lunch, many desert safaris include a traditional Bedouin-style meal served in a desert camp, where you can enjoy grilled meats, flatbreads, and sweet dates while relaxing in a comfortable modulus setting. After lunch, you can unwind in the camp, sip on Arabic coffee, and take in the peaceful desert atmosphere. As the day draws to a close, return to Doha for a memorable evening at Aspire Park, one of the largest parks in the city. With its beautiful landscaping, walking paths, and the iconic torch tower in the background, it is a great place to reflect on your adventure while enjoying a quiet moment. If you are still in the mood for exploring, head to Villaggio Mall, where you can take a gondola ride through the mall's indoor canal or indulge in more shopping. Doha experiences extreme temperatures during the summer, with highs often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the best time to visit is from November to March, when the weather is mild and perfect for outdoor activities, ranging from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. This period is also when many cultural events and festivals take place, offering even more opportunities to experience the city's vibrant atmosphere. As we wrap up our 3-day journey in Doha, keep in mind that Qatar is known for being a safe and welcoming country for travelers. It is important to respect local customs and traditions to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable experience. What do you think of our 3-day Doha itinerary? Have you visited this incredible city, or are you planning a trip soon? Let us know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to the Global Yard and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and guides. As the saying goes, the journey, not the destination, matters. We hope this guide has inspired your next great adventure. Until next time, safe travels, and we will see you on the next adventure.